You can't outinvest a 29% interest rate. Let that sink in. My name is Vladimir Nemchinov. I went from zero to $600,000 in 11 years primarily through real estate, and now I'm building my net worth by investing into my retirement. I want to share with you the financial advice I wish someone shared with me. Today I'm going to show you why paying off debt before investing is the smartest wealth move you'll ever make, and how skipping this step could cost you big. Let's say you've got credit cards charging you 29% interest, but you're hoping your investments grow at 8 to 10%. That math doesn't work. Every month that debt sits there, it eats your wealth faster than the market can build it. I've seen people investing a couple $100s per month while paying thousands in interest every year. That's not strategy, that's self-sabotage. And the stress? It's always in the background. You feel it when the bill hits, when the payment bounces, when the calls start coming in. You can't win the wealth game with shackles on. In the 10 levels of the wealth game, level 4 is pay off all consumer debt. That includes credit cards, personal loans, car payments, store cards. If it's not your mortgage, it's consumer debt, and it's got to go. We use the debt snowball method. Start with your lowest balance, pay it off fast, then move to the next. Why not highest interest rate first? Because momentum matters more than math. When you knock out a small debt, you feel progress, and that fuels the next win. And once all the debt is gone, boom, now you've got cash flow. You've got options. You're ready to invest from a place of strength. If you skip this and try to invest while juggling debt, you'll always be anxious. One market dip, one unexpected bill, and you're pulling money out of your investment or falling further into debt. Plus, you're paying interest to a bank while hoping for growth in the market. It's like filling a leaky bucket. You're pouring money in, but it keeps draining out. This is why most people feel stuck. They're trying to build and bail water at the same time. So here's the move. First, build your starter emergency fund. That's level 3. Save $1,000. Then go hard on your debt. List all balances, lowest to highest. Throw everything you can at the smallest one. Sell stuff, pick up extra work, stop the bleeding. Once the first one is gone, move to the next. Rinse and repeat. By the time you reach zero balances, your confidence will skyrocket. Then, and only then, do you move to level 5. Fully fund your emergency fund. Then level 6. Start investing 15% of your income for retirement. And now, you're investing with power, with clarity, and without fear. If you're wondering when to start investing, ask yourself this: do I still have consumer debt? If the answer is yes, you're on level 4. Let's clear that first, and I'll help you. Fill out the free Invest Steady Client Assessment form. The link is in the description below. Let's get you unstuck, pay off those debts, and unlock real freedom. Invest steady. Compound your net worth.